Hi there, welcome to Maths on Demand. In this video we are going to learn how to add small numbers together by splitting them up to make easier questions. If you have been watching this series, then you should know how to add things together using our fingers by counting on with friends of 5 and with friends of 10. Now we are going to put some of these things together to make it easier for us to add up small numbers. Let's get into it. Here's our first question. 9 plus 5. Now we could count on 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But we could also see that 9 is almost 10. If we put 9 on our 10 rectangles here, we can see we just need one more because the friend of 10 that goes with 9 is 1. So we could change this question to 9 plus 1 plus the rest of 5. What's the rest of 5? Well, you could count up to 5 from 1. Then we got 2, 3, 4, 5, so that's 4 more. Or we could remember that we have friends of 5. And if we had 1, the friend of 5 that goes with 1 is 4. So the question becomes 9 plus 1 plus 4, which is the same as 9 plus 5. Let's look at this another way. 9 plus 5 looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we just figured out that if we add 1 more to 9, we get 10. So the question becomes 9 plus 1, which is 10, plus 4. And now we can say it's just 10 plus 4. And 10 plus 4 is easy, because adding to 10 is like adding to 0. Nothing plus 4 is 4. So 10 plus 4 is 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Let's do some more. Now we have 6 plus 7. What is the friend of 10 that goes with 6? Well, 6 leaves 4 spaces, so 4 is the friend of 10 that goes with 6. We can change the question to 6 plus 4 plus the rest of 7. What's the rest of 7? Well, we're up to 4. We go 5, 6, 7. So we need to add 3. Now our question is just 10 plus 3. Let's see what that looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Add 4 more here to make 10. And we got another 3 here. So 10 and 3 is 11, 12, 13. You should be able to do that without counting on. 10 plus 3 is 13. Which would look like that. And remember, we started with 6 plus 7. Let's do another one. Now we have 8 plus 7. We know that 8 has a friend of 10. The friend of 10 for 8 is 2. So this question becomes 8 plus 2 plus the rest of 7. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 plus 2 plus 5 is the same as 8 plus 7. Now we know 8 plus 2 makes 10. Got 5 left. 10 plus 5 is 15. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next is 4 plus 9. So, what's the friend of 10 that goes with 4? 4 plus 6 gives us 10. So now this question is 4 plus 6 plus the rest of 9, which is 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. We can see it with the magnetic tiles. 4 plus 6 gives us our 10. And what's left? 3. 10 and 3, 13. Now we have 6 plus 8. What's the friend of 10 that goes with 6? Yeah, we just did this one in reverse. 6 and 4 go together to make 10. So now this question is 6 plus 4 is 10, plus what's left? 4 more. So 6 plus 4 plus 4, that gives us 14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now we have 5 plus 7. The friend of 10 that goes with 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 plus 2 is what the question becomes. And we know 10, 11, 12. So our answer is 12. Now we have 3 plus 8. And we should know the friend of 10 that goes with 3 is 7. So we take 7 here to make 10. There's just 1 left. So our question becomes 3 plus 7 plus 1. 10 plus 1 is just 11. So 3 plus 8 is also 11. Now these numbers are getting a bit bigger. 8 plus 9. But we just do the same thing. What's the friend of 10 that goes with 8? Well, it's just 2. Let's take 2 off our 9 to make 10 here. And what do we have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the question is 8 plus 2 plus 7. Now we know that is 17. So 10 plus 7 is 17, and 8 plus 9 is the same thing. It's also 17. Are you getting the hang of it yet? Let's do one more together, and then you can try some on your own. 9 plus 9. The friend of 10 that goes with 9 is 1. We need to take 1 off our 9 to give us 10. And what's left? Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have to add 8 still. So 10 plus 8 gives us 18, which is the same as 9 plus 9. Can you solve this one? 4 plus 8. Four plus 8 becomes 4 plus 6 plus 2, which we can see here. And 10 plus 2 is 12. So 4 plus 8 is also 12. Can you do 2 plus 9? This one becomes 2 plus 8 plus 1, which we can see here. 10 plus 1 is 11. So 2 plus 9 is 11, just like 10 plus 1 is 11. How about 7 plus 7? 7 plus 7 is the same as 7 plus 3 plus 4. And that equals 14. And lastly, 9 plus 6. 9 plus 6 is the same as 9 plus 1 plus 5, which is the same as 10 plus 5. And we know that equals 15. The more you practice these, the easier they will become. Remember, you can always use counting on if you need to, but as you see how these numbers fit together, your adding will become easier and quicker. When you're ready, head on over to the next video to learn more about adding.